Look at these magnificent trees. The Stoics taught us that a great tree gets to be that way by suffering great storms and other harsh adversities. They said it's not calm seas that make a great sailor, it's the storms. That's from Seneca. And likewise, in our lives, there's always something to learn from every adversity, and you can achieve then some self-improvement. You can grow in patience, insight, interpersonal skills, and organization. So paradoxically, you can look forward to adversities. They're going to make you so much better as a person. And when you improve yourself, you're making progress on what is for everyone your life purpose.